Hello guys, so welcome to KO Tutorials. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, we had started with the modeling of this furniture props over here. So let's continue it. So now what we'll be doing over here, let's take some more references. Let's go to File, View Image File. I'll take some more references for this modeling. So let's just take one more reference. Now, what I'll be doing over here is like, let's take a cylinder, increase its sides a bit, slightly just push this up and increase its height. Select this line. Let's take a line over here and drag it in this way and slightly just shuffle it over here, rendering, enabling viewport and make it as rectangular. Slightly increase its width a bit over here and reduce its length accordingly. So I'll again go over here, I'll convert to editable poly, select the vertices, shuffle it inside, go to the top view, go into hierarchy, effect pivot only. I'll set the pivot point over here and I'll press E and rotate it, and how many copies you need, you can take that many copies. So I can slightly just shuffle it in this way, can be done. So again I'll select this and slightly reduce the height of it. So we can create this table, and if you have something like a small prop on this, a book or something, let's take a rectangle over here. So convert to editable poly. Let's select this edges. So select the edges over here and slightly I'll give a bit of chamfer to it. So we can slightly assign a chamfer. Let's click OK. Again select this polygons over here. I'll give a bit of inset and let's again extrude it by local normal. Slightly just shuffle this inside. Now after that, once you're done, again I can take a line over here. So let's just take a line, go into this, take a line. We have a shape. I'll just off this enabling viewport and let's just take a line, create a shape. That's it. And give a modifier called lathe. Set it as max over here. So let's go into this, go into the vertices, activate this, slightly just push this down, and if required I can shuffle it more inside over here. Again select this, you can slightly just push this out and you can place it over here and slightly scale it. So you can just create the stuff in this way as required. Again, I'll take a line. Again, I'll go over here. Okay. So again, go into this and let's give a lathe modifier and set it as max. Go into the line. Okay. And if required, what we can do over here is like I can use a insert over here slightly and let's give a lathe. Go into the vertices, shuffle it out, and you can just activate it like this. So you can do this over here accordingly. So let's give one more modifier. That's a normal modifier. I'll just scale it over here. Just place it. So let's again go over here, again take another reference. I'll just minimize it. Let's take another reference. You have multiple references which we are going to create. So we can create such kind of a stylish couch, that's a furniture. So we can go into the top view over here. Let's take a line, or you can just create something like this. Like this, and close the shape. So there are many methods if you want to create such stuff. So I'll just push this over here. I'll just push it over here. I'll shuffle this till here. So we can just try to manage this. Select this, push this. So select the vertices and let's go into this and let's give a fillet. So we can assign a fillet if required. So select this and let's give a fillet in this way. Select this, right click, give a corner. Select this, let's again give a fillet in this way, push it up, select this both and again give a fillet, select this both and again give a fillet. So we can create such stuff with the help of this option. If you want move curve over here, that can be done. So if you want, you can just go over here and try to put refine, but putting more refine will give you a curve but might variate the shape also. So if you are looking for more curve or something, that can be managed. Alright, so once it is done, let's go into the modifier and let's give an extrude modifier over here and slightly just push this up over here in this way and convert to editable poly. After that, let's select this edges. So select this edges over here. Select this hole, select this edges. So remove the center edges over here and slightly give a chamfer. So we can slightly assign a chamfer, click OK, select this edges, ring it, control and click on the polygons and slightly give a bit of bevel by local normal. So I am assigning a bit of bevel, slightly just reduce this, just click OK. After that, again take a swift loop, so select this edges, ring it, let's give one connect, ring it, let's give one connect. So we are adding some connects to it. We won't smoothen it. The reason is we are not connected any other loops over here. So if you try to give smooth, then you can see that the shape is going to variate or the shape is going to disturb. So it's better we don't give this turbo smooth over here because we have all the floating edges. So we'll just keep it as it is over here for now. Again, you can go over here and let's put one swift loop over here. That's it. Alright. So we can separate it or we can just keep it as it is, not a problem. I'll just end isolate this stuff over here. I'll again duplicate it. Slightly just push this up in this way. So if you see the shape, we have something for the back part which we can just create over here. We can do that. We can also use a line, we can also use a chamfer box. Anything can be created. So if you are using a line over here, we can just try to manage the shape till here, push this up, and you can just take a chamfer box. So let's just create a chamfer box over here, resize it. Let's put some segments over here, put one length width segments. Slightly you can reduce the fillet if required. And now I'll go into this. So we have already created a line. If you see over here, I'll select this and we have a modifier called path deform. So click on path deform and click on pick path, move to path, and you can use this property over here, settle it over here in this way, and now you can adjust it, the percentage and everything as required. Slightly just you can push this up. So guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. So definitely we'll be doing the detailing part in the coming tutorial. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the coming tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial.